So
Right.
now, how can I not talk about the Malkin of Traitor season 2? Hi, Parul, what's up?
Hi. All good,
So
man.
when I saw you, I was damn sure you will be selected as a traitor. To be very honest, and I talked to multiple journalists out there because you have that spike in you, the perfect traitor quality. But somehow you ended up being an innocent. And hats off the way you ended up like Harman Hen. I want to know his conviction के साथ you said because you were even ready to close Nishir. Your baby, how could you? Like I want to know more about the conviction thing.
It was just that a lot of things, you have certain feelings, and then I like to believe that I don't want to get swayed by anyone else. I don't want to play anyone else's game unless I have some conviction on it. And I was convinced that it is Harman because the way Munawar left, and when Munawar was evicted, I was closely watching Harman and Crystal and how they were reacting, and just became very sure that there's something about them. The next day, because I was gunning for Harman, I was taking Crystal with me and I was seeing. That's why the first people I told was Crystal and Ria, because I wanted to see their reaction. How would they react when I tell them? They were just backing him, and the way whole day Crystal, I was, so while I was targeting Harman, I was looking at Crystal. That was the plan whole day. And I think I'm somebody who's, when I'm sure, and when I'm sure, I'm sure. So I just go after it. And
But do you think it actually backfired against you because while you had a lot of conviction, somehow you were not able to convince other people and you were a very strong player. Just like what happened with Munawwar, do you believe similar thing? They eliminated you because you are a strong player.
um, I don't know. They would have killed me in Secret Tower that night anyway. I would have died. So I owed it to myself that I wanted to play and look in people's eye and tell them I'm an innocent. I didn't want to get murdered. At least I get to say my side of the story, in Circle of Shak. आप सीक्रेट टावर में मर गए, आप किससे बात भी नहीं कर सकते, आप किसको बता भी नहीं सकते कि आप हैं innocent.
But are you happy that just after you, like in episode 5, you got eliminated, you got banished? Kullu is also no more a part of the game. Like because he is part of the Traitors team. Are you happy or is it like okay, it's happened?
Who?
Kullu.
अच्छा, I
Oh,
am happy.
Kullu.
हाँ, ये पारुल से क्वेश्चन है कि
When I found out he was the traitor, I was like, he's playing so well, he deserves to win. But the whole day, because he was my person to go to through since the morning. And मैं देख ही नहीं पाई. इनफैक्ट रणवीर सर बोल के गए थे सर्कल ऑफ शक पे, लेकिन मेरे में भूत चढ़ा था हरमन को पकड़ने का कि मैंने रणवीर सर को सुना ही नहीं. बट सो व्हेन आई फाउंड इट, आई वाज एक्चुअली अपसेट, बिकॉज़ देखो मैं तो गेम से निकल गई. अब मेरे हाथ में तो कुछ नहीं है. मैं तो चाहूंगी अब जो खेल रहे हैं वो आगे जाएं. So I was so hoping, I was upset that Kullu got out. And
But
Kullu
how
was the traitor.
just like I asked रणवीर सर कि सामने उनके ट्रेटर बैठा हुआ था उन्हें पता नहीं चला आप कुल्लू से बात कर रहे हो यू डिडंट गेट अ whiff कि कुल्लू इज अ ट्रेटर.
Not at all. Kullu, I've known that. He knew that I can guess. So मेरे साथ ऐसे इतने अच्छे से ज्ञान बांटता है ना कि आपको उस पर शक ही नहीं जाता. और वो मुझे समझाता रहता था, नहीं नहीं तू उस पे मत शक कर, इस पे मत शक कर. And in a way, he was telling me not to doubt on people that were innocent. एंड अगर मैं उसके सामने ट्रेटर बोलती थी, नाउ दैट आई लुक इन रेट्रोस्पेक्ट, ये मुझे ये नहीं कहता था उन पे डाउट मत कर. वो कहता तू अपना कर, बट मैं तेरे साथ हूँ. सो इट वाज जस्ट ही वाज प्लेइंग मी एंड आई गॉट प्लेड.